You are a masterpiece.
So this is welcome back to another video. What are we doing today, my sir?
We're doing unboxing.
We're doing unboxing.
And also we're doing Sushiquik.
So today we're going to unbox Sushiquik. This is a sushi starter kit that I got from Amazon, and we are super excited because I love sushi.
This is the box.
Okay, let's put that away. We're gonna focus on this today. We love sushi so much. Mysore, have you had sushi before?
No.
Okay, Mysore has never had sushi before, but I've had sushi multiple times growing up in Canada, and I love sushi. And it's really fascinating to me how the rolls are cut out and how they look so perfect and so neatly tucked in together. So I decided I was going to start making my own from home, and I started to do some research, and I found some tools. I read reviews of different tools and different starter kits, and I got this one. I decided to get this one from Amazon, and I'm really excited. This is, hold on, Mysore, this is just a starter. I'm thinking once I master the art of sushi making, I'm gonna pass this on to Mysore, right?
Yes.
This is eventually gonna be yours, inshallah, if you love sushi. That's if you like sushi. And then I'm gonna move on to more advanced sushi making kits, or products that we can use to make our own sushi from home. So we're going to unbox this right now. Let's do a thumbnail. Smile. Hold the box.
And we have the recipe.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. So this box is, hold on. So this box comes with this frame. It's a rice frame. So it helps you basically put the rice perfectly in within that frame, so the rice doesn't go over or anything like that. And this is what attracted me to the set. That sushi slicer. Basically, you put your sushi roll under and then you slice it. It has like a pre-aligned, Mysore, please stop. It has a pre-aligned lines that you can cut through to get perfect portions. So there's that, and then there's this mat. That's a sushi rolling mat. So, and then there's the ladle. There's the sushi scoop, or the ladle, to flatten the sushi. And I think this is just a table that you place everything on top, and then yeah, we're gonna find out. So, you ready, Mysore?
Yes, I am.
Say Bismillah.
You are a masterpiece.
So it comes in the box like so. Alright, and we're gonna open. You wanna do the honors?
Yeah. Wait, where's the
Open. Would you like to be the one to open, or you want me to open?
Me too.
Okay. Easy. I'm gonna give him a hand. Oh, and this is another cool thing. You can use these for sauce, like your soy sauce, or if you have any other sauce, you can put your sauces in these to serve. Alright, and these also work as like the end of the frame. If you look, I mean not the frame, the mat.
What is this?
If you look at it,
What in the world is this?
these two go there. So, and you can use them as your containers for putting your sauces. All right, so it comes with these two end containers.
What is this?
Hold on, Mysore. And this, I believe, is just like a table. So this is how I would say this is about 8 to 10 inch in size. So that's the table. All right. The side of it is rough and it has the smooth side. So that goes there, I believe.
I think this has.
Yeah, that's gonna go there, but hold on. You have to roll. That's when you put the sushi. And then here's the frame I was telling you guys. And it tells you, I love this. It says top right here, so you know that should go like this, right? And I believe this clips, I'm gonna try, I think this clips right into these slots right there. Could be wrong. Let's see. Oh, actually, these actually go in like this. Like that. And then the bottom like that. All right, so let me try this. Yeah, it makes better sense. Like so. So that goes in like that. We have it like that. All right, so.
I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, we're figuring it out as we go. I don't either, Lisa. So basically you're going to put the mat. So let's go ahead and try. This is the rolling mat. And I don't know if it has anything written on here. No. So I believe you put the mat first. Okay, so the mat actually clicks into these slots. So it has this right here. And this one clicks right here. So you click it in like so. And then you put the frame on top.
I know you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, that's the nori. That's the nori sheets. We're not there yet, my sir. So I went ahead and put my ooh, and this clips right in. My sir, we're not there yet. We're not. That's when we actually start making the sushi. Okay.
Ooh.
So I went ahead and clipped. Everything just fits. At least I thought it fit. Well, basically you have to place it down flat, but once you do that, everything just clips in place. And this is the back. I love it. I'm getting so excited here. But yeah, that's it. And it comes with that. And then
I'm making a messy.
So basically you put that, you fill your rice. Oh, you're going to put your nori. I'm probably saying it wrong, but you're going to put your nori sheet. That's the seaweed sheet here. It's roasted seaweed or dried seaweed. You're going to place it on the mat and then put your frame, and then your rice goes on top. And then this frame helps you just align everything, your rice on here.
Recipes.
We're gonna try it once we get a chance, okay? So that's that. And then yeah, and then these, I guess once you finish filling it up, you pull this off and then you just roll everything.
And then put the sauce.
Okay.
Put sauce.
Or I think you would remove it from here first. Remove it because you don't want your sushi falling over. And then Mr. Hina, and then you just roll everything. And I believe once you roll, these are supposed to help you have like that perfect end. So your end is not gushing out with like the filling. They basically smooth out the filling that you put inside your sushi. And so you put that, I guess you can roll it or twist it to have everything nice and smooth. And then once you do that, then that's when this comes in handy. I can't wait to use this. I'm excited. So you place this on top of your sushi roll, and then you basically use a knife to slice. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. And also you do this part after this part.
They can't see what you're showing them. You're out of the shot. You do what?
This part. Wait.
Okay.
This
So
part.
they get it, Macer. They get it. You slice. Okay. You take a super sharp knife, and it has to be a little moistened and
I think you're gonna
wet. and you select. So basically that's it. That's all that. Oh, and then there's the manual, of course. So this is the manual, and it actually has some recipes. I mean, I have done my research. I've looked up some recipes. I'm excited to start. It's funny. I even got like all the recipe. Not all. I got some recipe like months, maybe since last year. I got some recipe. I got some ingredients. I mean, like I got some tuna fish, and I got some crab steaks. I got a couple of things, but just never got around to getting the actual sushi start. Oh, I did actually. You know what? Last year, I actually bought the bazooka, the sushi bazooka, and then somehow it came in the mail, and somehow I misplaced it. So I recently rediscovered it, and so I'm going to be interchanging between this, the roll, and the bazooka, right? And we'll see what works best. But I've read some awesome reviews about this, and that's why I chose to buy this for a starter. The only thing that I am not happy about is, hold on. The only thing that I'm not really happy about this specific or this particular box or set is that it doesn't come with a chopstick, and I realized that after. And so I'm gonna have to go back and purchase some chopsticks. But other sets that I seen online actually came with chopsticks, which is neat, and I love it. So I'm gonna be purchasing. Maybe we can make our own chopsticks, right? We have some sticks. We have some dowel rods that we can use to make our own sticks, right? So we will try it out. We're gonna show you guys. Should we show them our first sushi making experience?
But we need to.
Okay, so Maester wants to show you guys. We got all these other things. We got some wasabi sauce. What else did we get?
We got some rice.
We got some sushi rice.
And we got
and our nori. We got nori. I only got 10 to start with, so we'll see how it goes. I feel like we're gonna finish it in one day. I don't know.
Last but not least, the
ginger. So this ginger does not go inside the sushi. This is just like on the side. It's served on the side. It's
really hot.
How do you know it's really hot?
Gingers are hot.
Oh, because ginger's hot. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, but I heard some awesome reviews about this particular ginger brand, and I read some not so great, but you know, the pros outweighed the cons, so I got this. So yeah, we are going to try it, and we are going to let you guys know. We'll do a vlog on our first sushi making, right? We'll catch you later on our next video. Okay, if you have not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you go on Hamdi's Kitchen. Okay.
Check down the
Hamdi's marshmallows. Okay, bye. All right, so also be sure to subscribe to Hamdi's Kitchen. So we have Hamdi'sDaze for vlogs, and then we have Hamdi's Kitchen for recipes. All right, my sister's gonna go have some s'mores, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye, Dazers.